Look at this, boys and girls. Look at the horsepower on this thing. 425. It's a V8. 425 horsepower. Two of them. Can you imagine having two of these big boys on there? Hey, you bass fishermen, you want to get your fishing hole, if it's Lego on your boat, you want to get your fishing hole fast, fire up a couple of these boys here and go to the water. I'll tell you what, you'll be there half an hour before us the fishermen are. Hey, if you like this, please subscribe to it, and I'm DJ. I'll see you on the water.